supportahan natin si Barbie dahil deserve niya supportahan talaga at nakaka-proud. Ang dami namin natutunan ni Bianca.
Yeah. Unang-una sa lahat, sobrang saludo po talaga ako sa bumuo dito sa P77. Again, apakaganda po ng mensahe ng pelikulang ito. It's definitely a must-watch. And other than that, grabe si Ate Barbie. I've always looked up to her growing up, and I've always seen her as a rom-com queen talaga. And talaga ngayon watching her here, napatunayan talaga niya that she's more than just what we see. And apakaganda, she's such a talented actress. And mas lalo pa talaga akong namangha sa kanya after watching this. So, ayun. Congratulations.
Oo. Movie date kayo ngayon.
Movie day.
Pero may third wheel daw kayo.
Asan ba yun?
Asa na ba siya? Ayun.
Hindi naman gumit na sa inyong dalawa habang hindi naman gumit na sa inyong dalawa.
Parang malapit na.
Thank you.
Hi everyone! We're inviting all of you to watch P77. Going na yan ngayon.
July 30. See you guys.